Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to another video here on Sui. Wanted to do a full video on the situation right now. I've been covering this daily since the new bullish momentum started, of course. And wanted to give you an update today as well. I mean, if the price is still, look, the price on like the 1 hour time frame here is in this range. Between 2.15 and 1.95. If the price is still there tomorrow, I'll probably not make an update because then the situation is still the same. So then this video will still apply in my eyes. But I'll keep you updated on anything you need to know. All right. For now, the situation is still very similar to yesterday, although we have seen some developments. And the main development is obviously it's that the Bitcoin dominance is quite strong, right? So most of you know that. So a lot of altcoins are still not performing amazing. And then looking at Sui, it's not looking amazing, all right? Because what we're seeing is that the open interest here, aka the momentum, is still relatively low, all right? When we had that bullish momentum the 28th and the 29th of October, we also saw some momentum coming in, even though it was very, very low. So we don't necessarily need it to turn bullish. I mean, right here you can also see we did not need it to get those breakouts. But it is going in combination with the volume that's down a lot. Volume got up to a peak of 1.36 billion. And right now, in the middle of the week, it's down to 730 million, which is quite a big drop. And if you combine that as well to the fundamentals, which total value locked is up a little bit, but that's obviously because the price of Sui is up. And then the DEX trading volumes are down again after a spike, right? That down to the same levels they were at the week before. I would say we're losing some momentum. And then we get back to the technicals. What I said yesterday is that, all right, well, one of maybe the biggest breakout we had was above this level right here at $2 and 1.95. What I need to see now is that we actually get a strong reaction from that level. Now, we found support at that level, as you can see right here, we found support, but we did not really get strong support because, like I said, the volume did not increase, the momentum did not increase, we did not make higher highs, we actually made lower highs, as you can see. So, at the moment, it's not looking too great for Sui. What we really need to see is that fresh inflow of momentum. All right, and whether it's open interest, or volume, I don't really care too much. But what we need to see is that we actually hit this level, especially the level at 1.95 is very, very strong, but that we hit that and that we see a surge in volume, because then we can actually continue this 4-hour uptrend we have, break above 2.15 and get back up to 2.25, all right? And that is what we want to see, I think, most of us at least. But I have to tell you that under the current circumstances, I don't think this is most likely, because there's no evidence yet, and I would even say there's evidence against, after the bounce we had yesterday, that we will actually get that renewed capital inflows and momentum after hitting that level. All right, and like I said, the fundamentals and the volume and the touch yesterday are going against that. And then Bitcoin losing some momentum and the Bitcoin dominance being high is also going against that. So is this a possibility? For sure. Should you be prepared for it? Yes. But I would say it's a little bit more likely now that we'll see a little bit of a sell-off into 1.85 and 1.8. So those are my thoughts, all right? Those are my thoughts right now on Sui and what I expect the price to do based on those thoughts. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But that is what I think you need to know for now. So have a great rest of your day. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.